In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report to someone's Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app, then just go to someone's profile, and if you want to report to that profile, we should tap at these three dots and then hit at report profile. That will show you a lot of different problems you might have with that profile. Let's say some violence or harassment, or you think that this is a fake account. You can select any option from that list. And on that step, in order to send a report, just hit at done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.